How to join community in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join different groups and communities. First of all, go to the website name sephora.com. Now, this interface will pop up. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this community icon. Simply tap on community. Here, you can even directly join different communities or even create your own new one. So here, I'm tapping on community home. So here, you'll be able to view a list of communities that are available here. So basically, these are girls community where you can enroll. So there are different comments and there are different groups that you can join and later be a part of that community. So you'll be able to get different updates and news about the community and the group too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.